Oh, morning friends, and welcome to the channel. Today I've got those same big maple slabs that I just need to get leveled off. So when I cut them a couple of days ago, I cut them freehand with my chainsaw. A few of them I was able to get leveled off with my mill, but this one is too big for my mill, although I'm using the platform as kind of a sawhorse for a foundation. What I'm going to do is use my Alaskan chainsaw mill, and I'm going to put it up here and I will get it nice and level. And then I'll flip it over and I'll do the same thing on the other side. So it'll make a nice level table. First, what I had to do was basically shim it up on all sides to get it level. So, and as I look at it, it's pretty much dead on both ways. I'm really happy about that. Let's see how wide this thing is. So from here to here, this is going to be 43 inches. That's pretty big. And let's measure going this way. So this way is 40 inches. So that way, so this way is 43 and this is 40 inches. So it's a 43 by 40 inch table. That's gonna be a big one. So like I said, what I'll do is I'll take my chainsaw mill and get it leveled off, and then I'm hoping to keep the majority of the thickness. I think this thickness right now is, so it's 9 inches. I'll probably shave a couple of inches off the top and maybe an inch or two at the bottom. So we should still have maybe 4 to 5 inches of a level table. So I think that's what I'll do. Stand by. All right, welcome back everybody. So I'm gonna start cutting the rounds. I gotta let my chainsaw warm up. Up, we're going to put my safety gear on. You got to wear safety gear when you're doing this kind of stuff. You never know what's going to fly and hit you in the eye. And then I've got chaps that are in case the blade, if the chain comes off or I hit my leg, it's supposed to stop the chain. Okay. This ladder was to keep the plane of my Alaskan Mill level. So we'll take this off. That was my dog Buddy in the background. Okay, come on over and we can see the end result. My wife's doing the camera today. So here's the end result. Pretty maple. Nice and flat. So now I'll just have to flip it over and do the other side. So thanks for joining us today. If you like this, please like and subscribe this video or this channel. I'd love to have you and have you watch my videos. So just have a great day, a great week, and it's been a great day to mill. We'll see you next time.